Welcome to my channel, your tutor Mariam is here. It's the 59th video of Introductory Physics 1 and the 21st video I'm going to talk about the laws of motion. That is the fifth subject of Introductory Physics 1. In this video, I'm going to solve an example which is similar to the previous video. Two blocks are in touch with each other and I'm going to find the forces applied to each boxes. But this time my parameters have values. If you are new to Introductory Physics 1 and like to learn more, hit the subscribe button and like for more. You ready? Let's get started. Here I have two blocks with a mass of m1 and m2 and force F applied to the first block with a mass of m1. And I need to find the force applied to each box. Let me write down the second Newton's law first. My F, total F, is equal to sum of the F applied to the object, right? So if this force applied to the object, since two blocks are attached to each other, they're gonna move together, right? So my total F gonna be m1 plus m2 times acceleration, right? As I said, they're gonna move together. So my total force gonna be equal to little f here, right? So then if I substitute the value, F gonna be equal to 90. My m1 is 2 and m2 gonna be 3 times a, right? Then my a here equal to 18 meters per second square, right? Now I need to find the internal force between m1 and m2. Let's start with m1. My m1 here has two forces. One is little f and the other one is the force applying from m2. So I'm going to call it as F21. The force applies from blocks 2 to blocks 1. Now I'm going to write down the second Newton's law only for blocks with a mass of m1. So for m1, what I have is total F just for m1 equal to little f minus F21 equal to m1 times acceleration, right? And this gonna be the total acceleration. Remember, if box gonna moves, it's gonna move with the total acceleration, right? There is no internal acceleration. Now let's calculate F21. My F21 gonna be equal to F minus m1 times a, right? So my F here is 90. My mass m1 is 2. Time acceleration is 18. So answer gonna be 54. Now I need to find the force applied to m2. So for m2 there is only one force and this is an internal force. I'm gonna call it as F12, the force applied from blocks with a mass of m1 to blocks 2. So now my total force gonna be equal to F12 is equal to m2 times a, right? And remember, this is the internal force. So my m2 here is equal to 3 and then acceleration is equal to 18. So my F12 is equal to 54, right? And based on the third Newton's law, these two internal forces should be equal to each other. I hope you find this video helpful. If you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.